Homemade pizza with a zucchini crust. All the flavor, all the goodness, and not a bit of guilt. This is clean eating the Red Mountain way. It's a pizza pie with plenty of flavor and lots of health benefits. And with only 5 ingredients plus salt and pepper, zucchini crust pizza is the perfect base for your favorite healthy toppings, all of which will keep you on track to lose weight. It all starts with zucchini, and the more you learn about zucchini, the more you'll consider it a real superfood. You'll also be adding garlic, great for lowering cholesterol and improving heart health, and shallots, rich in antioxidants and helpful in regulating blood sugar. 2 egg whites, high in protein and amino acids, will help bind the crust, and pepper and salt brings out the flavor. The first step is to grate 2 large zucchini, which are so good for you. Zucchini is great for digestion and circulation. It helps boost energy, slows down aging, and protects against inflammation. And because zucchini is low in calories and high in water and fiber, it's a great food for losing weight. You'll want to strain out the water from the zucchini, and for that, you'll need cheesecloth or a tea towel. Pour the shredded zucchini into the cloth and then wring it out as much as you can. Once the zucchini is strained, you're ready to make the crust. In a bowl, add the shredded zucchini, 2 egg whites, 1 large minced shallot, and 2 large cloves of minced garlic. Then add a little salt and pepper. Mix it together and then prepare a baking sheet or pizza pan with parchment paper. Spray a little zero-calorie cooking spray, and then spoon on the zucchini mixture to create about an 8-inch round. Have your oven heated to 425 degrees and bake for about 15 minutes or until the edges are browned. Now it's time for the toppings. Organic tomato sauce is a must, and tomatoes are high in vitamin C, potassium, the antioxidant lycopene, and carnitine, which helps the body burn fat. Then you can add mushrooms, fresh basil, cherry tomatoes, sliced onions, and even lean protein like skinless chicken breast. Once you've added your toppings, the pizza goes back into the oven for another 10 minutes or so, and now you're ready to devour the fruits and veggies of your labor. Zucchini crust pizza, another delicious idea from the Red Mountain Clean Eating Kitchen. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.